Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at Avalanche. Avalanche and Cosmos. A rival that is worth 1 cent might be the next breakout star. We want to check this out. So finding the biggest crypto opportunity is usually one of the main objectives for many traders. However, with the current volatility market, where even well-known cryptos like Avalanche and Cosmos are finding it hard to record a smooth growth trajectory, newcomers like Rollback RBLK seem to emerge as the best crypto to buy right now. And this is what we're trying to understand. So this is not financial advice. Let's try to understand what exactly is roadblock. It says Avalanche about to blow. That's the first thing we want to have a look at. Now, recently, Avalanche already went through that with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, the bull run a few months ago. They already hit their height. And recently, they've been tapering off. They've been, taking a nosedive recently. So the question is, can they get back to that height anytime soon, within the next 9 months, within the next 6 to 9 months? But it says here, the smart contract platform Avalanche seemed to generate excitement within the crypto community, signaling a potential breakout point. I don't think that signals necessarily a breakout point, because as much as the community wants to be as hype as possible, it's no guarantee for long-term success. They might pump the crypto, but that's all temporarily. Most of the time, it's temporarily. It will always go back down. Long-term investment is really what's worthwhile. Now, this has been backed by prominent analyst World of Chart, who seems to have identified a bullish technical pattern that might propel the price of Avalanche coin significantly higher within the coming days. According to World of Charts, there is a falling wedge pattern on the Avalanche price chart, a pattern that normally falls during the consolidation phase, with the price action confining between two conversion trend lines that slope downwards. Moreover, the aspects of the pattern lies within the diminishing price of the wedge, which suggests a buildup of buying pressure. A breakup from the upper trend line will indicate bullish signals, which will also highlight a potential reversal of Avalanche price dip in nature and the start of a surge, as highlighted by the current price action for Avalanche, which apparently is currently trading at $30.44 and $36.70 according to Coin Market Cap. So this is as of time is right, and so this could of course change. So if we want to understand a bit more about these patterns that are occurring, we must visit World of Charts and see if they have any indication of what's real. So this is what we're looking at. It's a Twitter user with a Twitter post explaining their thesis on why they think Avalanche might pop. But like I said, it's no guarantee. We've seen this before. What I mostly rely on to see if Avalanche Solana will do particularly well, I look at what makes them most valuable. That is their ecosystem. Are their ecosystem advancing? Is it increasing in popularity? Developers moving to those platforms, building applications on those platforms. That's what's really valuable. So that's what I tend to pay a lot of attention to see if it's really actually working. Now let's go on to Cosmos. It gained momentum with a 13% weekly price surge. The uptick of the price of the Cosmos coin is a clear reflection of the market sentiment and investors' enthusiasm for the Atom coin vision, which aims to make blockchain technology more accessible and less solid to developers. The daily RSI for Atom coin is standing at 63.67, signaling a strong bullish momentum. So if this article is correct, that means Cosmos and Avalanche will do very well in the coming future. But I kind of disagree. I don't think this article necessarily predicts that. I don't think it guarantees anything. It could coincide with the fact that Avalanche is doing really brilliant with improving and increasing the amount of developers that are on their platform and making apps for the users. If this article correlates with that, of course Avalanche is going to do well in the near future. It's done well recently. There should be no surprise in that area. But how about Cosmos? Could it do well as well? So an RSI value above 60 normally suggests that the crypto is experiencing significant buying pressure and might potentially continue its upward trajectory. As in the case with Cosmos price, according to CoinMarketCap, the Cosmos price has experienced an uptick of over 13% over the past week, moving from just $8.10 to around $9.20. Moreover, Cosmos coin trading volumes also recorded a surge of 141% within the same period, bringing the circulating supply to around 390 million. Now, Roadblock, on the other hand, it introduces a revenue shared model. It's an upcoming community-backed casino, which is offering a unique approach to gambling by combining the best of decentralization and centralization gaming. With its dynamic features set to grow the potential, Roadblock is paving the way as a next breakout star. And let me be completely honest, I don't really buy companies' stocks that are in the gambling or casino space. I don't really buy crypto that are in the gambling or casino space either, because I don't do research in that area. It's not something that interests me. I do no research in that area. I wouldn't invest in this because it has no interest to me. I'm far more interested in other cryptocurrencies like Solana and Avalanche, Cosmos because of the platform, and I'm way more interested in stocks or shares in very different area like electric vehicles. But something in the casino gambling space is not something that interests me. It's not something that I'd feel valued at spending my time doing research on this topic. While there's way more opportunities out there that are better for me to spend my time learning and developing my skills in that area. But just to end out the video, Roadblock offers a rich and outstanding feature set topped with quick and secure payments with the lowest cost for making withdrawal and deposits. So maybe you're interested in that sort of stuff. Like I said, it's not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But let's understand what they're trying to say. So with an outstanding revenue shared model, which is one of the many features that set Roadblock apart from its competitors, this project is becoming the next best cryptocurrency to buy in 2024. So I don't understand why they're comparing it to Avalanche and Cosmos. It seems like they're very different. Now, if Roadblock has a dApps platform, and the dApps platform is mostly focused on casino apps, casino games, casino gambling, if that's the focus, that would definitely be successful because it's a big area. People love to gamble, people love to play casino games. And if it's decentralized application, even better. It's its own platform, so you'll be benefiting from both directions. I'm just giving my unbiased opinion. I'm still not interested, but I'm just giving my unbiased opinion. And I'm not sure if it will have dApps on the platform. I'll have to make a separate video on Roblox if you're interested in Roblox. So Roblox will use percentage of its revenue to buy back tokens from the open market, which some analysts believe it will lead to millions of dollars worth of tokens being bought back each month. This will add huge buying pressure to the token, and half of the tokens purchased will burn, making RBLK highly deflationary. Deflation is always a good thing in this space. If you hold cryptocurrencies, deflation is a good thing because the value goes up as the supply goes down. If you don't understand what deflation is, well, let me know and I'll make a video specifically on that topic and we'll talk about it. The most deflationary crypto I can think about is obviously Bitcoin. For many different reasons. It's a heavily, driven towards deflationary system. And while that might have not been the original conclusion or the original idea of Bitcoin, it certainly is the one that people are certainly relying on right now, is the fact that there's less Bitcoin. And that makes it more scarce. That makes it more rare. You now have countries buying Bitcoin. Isn't that fantastic? Absolutely. So they've come to a conclusion. While both Avalanche and Cosmos seem to stand out in the crypto bull market, Roblox still stand out as the best crypto investment of 2024 with huge potential. It's clearly why Roblox is the next breakout star of 2024. I disagree. I honestly disagree. I would have to look it up. I'd have to do some research. I'd have to make a video on this crypto. And then we can decide if it's really the best crypto to buy this year. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to see more. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.